Hello guys, ready to go on a wild adventure? Today we are heading to the most dangerous, most explosive and most awesome zone on earth. It is called the Ring of Fire. What is the Ring of Fire? Imagine a fiery belt wrapping around the edges of the Pacific Ocean, like Earth wearing a necklace made of volcanoes. This massive zone is called the Ring of Fire and it's home to over 450 volcanoes. That's 75% of all volcanoes on Earth. It stretches across South America, North America, Asia, and all the way to New Zealand, forming a giant arc. And guess what? These volcanoes aren't just sitting still. They shake, they smoke, and sometimes they explode. The ring of fire exists because of tectonic plates crashing, sliding, and diving under each other, like a planet sized puzzle moving in slow motion. All the movement makes earthquakes and volcanoes super common along this ring. So the ring of fire isn't just cool, it is one of the most dangerous and dramatic zones of our entire planet. Why do volcanoes explode? Imagine shaking a soda can really hurt that opening it. Fizz. That's kind what happens underground. Way down below Earth's surface, there is super hot melted rock called magma. When it gets trapped and builds pressure, boom, up it comes as lava. Earth's crust is made up of puzzle pieces called tectonic plates, and they are always moving. When they crash or slide, volcanoes wakes up. Famous volcanoes in the Ring of Fire. Now let's travel to see some of the coolest, hottest volcanoes in the Ring of Fire. Mount Fuji, Japan. A sleeping giant that looks like it came from a painting. It is one of the Japan's most famous mountains and it's actually a volcano. Krakatoa, Indonesia. In 1883, it exploded so loudly that people 3,000 miles away heard it. That's louder than a rocket launch. Mount St. Helens, USA. In 1980, this volcano blew the entire top off. It covers cities in ash and changed the landscape forever. Villarrica, Chile. This one is glowing giant. It often has a lava lake bubbling inside like a spooky red soup. Why do people live near volcanoes? Wait, people live near volcanoes? Yes, and not just a few, millions do. Why? Because volcanoic soil is super rich. It grows amazing fruits, vegetables, and even coffee. Plus, hot springs from underground heat makes great baths and splash. How do we stay safe? Good news. Volcano scientists are always watching. They use special tools like seismographs to feel tiny shakes and gas detectors to sniff volcanoic fumes. If a volcano is about to erupt, alarms sound and people are evacuated quickly. Safety first. Pooh, that was one hot adventure, huh? From exploding mountains to fire-breathing earth, the Ring of Fire is one of the coolest and hottest places on the planet. Thank you for joining me. See you tomorrow. Bye.